In this video, I am going to tell about properties of solution. Properties of solution. Now, a solution is a homogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the particles are thoroughly mixed up, and that is called homogeneous. Right? So a solution is a homogeneous mixture. Now, next, in a solution, the soluble particles are uniformly distributed in the solvent. Okay, solution is made up of solute plus solvent together makes a solution. So in a solution, the solute particles are uniformly mixed up in the solvent. Okay, the solution is clear and transparent. Yes, it is clear and very transparent. It is a solution may be colorless or colored. Okay, for example, colorless. The example of colorless solution is the solution of sodium chloride, and the colorful or the colored solution is solution of copper sulfate. Okay, so copper sulfate is blue in color, therefore the solution of copper sulfate is blue. Now the next, in a solution the solute particles do not settle down under gravity. Okay, that is, solution is stable. Yes, the solute particles are not so heavy, okay, to settle down at the bottom of the container due to gravity. It's okay. So the particles are very small, and therefore the solution is stable. Now next, it is both the solvent and solute of a solution pass through the pores of a filter paper together. Yes, you cannot filtrate solute from the solution. Okay, means the filter paper cannot stop solute passing through the filter paper, right? So therefore they cannot be separated from a mixture by the method of filtration. So we cannot separate solute of the solution by using filter paper. Yeah, next, in a solution the size of solute particles is very small and is smaller than 1 nanometer. So 1 nanometer, and 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So the solute of the particle is smaller than 1 nanometer. Yeah, therefore they cannot be seen by naked eye or even by a powerful microscope. They cannot be seen. You cannot see the solute particles, okay, in the solution, because they are so small to be seen by powerful microscope even. Is that right? And the particles are smaller than 1 nanometer, means 10 to the power minus 9 meter. It is very small. It is. Now the next, because of the small size, particles of a true solution do not scatter a beam of light passing through it. So a beam of light means it doesn't show Tyndall effect. That is called Tyndall effect, and therefore the path of the light is not visible in a solution. Okay, so it doesn't show Tyndall effect. So whenever you just switch on a torch, okay, through the solution, okay, containing in a beaker, glass beaker, okay, the particles will not be visible because solution does not scatter light. Why do we see light is here? because whenever there is any object, okay, that stop the path of the light, then we can see that object. But in solution, what happens, the particles are so small that they cannot stop the light passing through the solution. That is why the path of the light through the solution is not visible, and therefore it does not show any Tyndall effect. So this is all about solution. Let me tell you something more about solution. So binary solution means a solution prepared by mixing two substances is called a binary solution. For example, sugar in water, common salt in water, alcohol in water, or water in alcohol are examples of binary solution. Means two things, one solute, other is a solvent. So these two things together makes a binary solution. It's okay. Now tertiary solution, a solution prepared by mixing three different substances is known as tertiary solution. For example, okay, water, sugar, and common salt, okay, all three together, and that is called tertiary solution, right? Now examples of solvent. Water is one of the example of solvent. Most of the things dissolve in water, therefore water is known as universal solvent. Water is known as universal solvent because most of the things dissolve in water. That's why it is. Okay. Now, okay, other examples of liquid solvents are ether. Ether, it is a hydrocarbon. Then benzene, acetone, carbon tetrachloride, and ethanol. So these are all the hydrocarbon. Okay, so these are all the organic solution. What are they? Let me repeat it once again. Ether, benzene, acetone, carbon tetrachloride, and ethanol. So these are called the organic solvents. Yes. So these are used to dissolve organic matters like fats, wax, and grease. Let me tell you one thing here now. The eraser that you used to, okay, rub pencil, isn't it here? Pencils, okay, the written pencil work, isn't it here? So that can be dissolved when you put it into kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is also, you can say it is also solvent. So that rubber or the eraser that used for rubbing pencil, okay, that can be dissolved in kerosene oil. If you leave it for 2 or 3 days, it will dissolve in this kerosene oil. It's okay. Now, super saturated solution. What is super saturated solution? It is a solution which contains more mass of solute than the saturated solution of the same, okay, at the same temperature can contain. For example, a solution containing 36 gram of sodium chloride in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin is a saturated solution, right? Listen me once again. 37 gram of sodium chloride in 100 grams of water at 293 Kelvin is a saturated solution. It's okay. So today I have explained most of the things about solution, and this is of a standard 9 level. So I will tell you something more about suspension or other things about, okay, in the next video. By listening anywhere you can know, okay, know in a better way it is. Yes, if you listen, okay, your topic, in a better, in a better way you can understand it here. So I hope it will be useful to you, and listen to me, and hope you will enjoy it. Okay, thank you.